Um, Hi guys, hope everyone is doing good in this lockdown period. Yes, my face and my neck foundation color is not matching, but ignoring that fact, let's move into the actual content of the video. This video is regarding to the place I stay in Kolkata, that is Mannat PG. I got the recommendation from my best friend. She's staying there for about 3 years now, and I'm staying there for about a year now. If I start speaking about all the good points about the place, it will be a really long video. So let's just stick to the important points. That is the food, the staff, and the society, because all these are the three things so people verify before shifting to a place, right? So the food is really good. We get there are two types of dishes are prepared, for the one who eats veg and for one who eats non-veg. The society is friendly. There is a community market at walking distance of like 1 minute where we buy all our essentials. Then comes the staff. The staff is really helpful. I still remember every time I come back from my home, the staff is there at the doorstep. They carry my luggage up to the top floor, that is the fourth floor where I stay, because it's really a hectic job taking all the luggage up to the fourth floor alone. If I be honest, I am able to adapt this place only because of Sohinidhi. She is my landlord, and now she has become my guardian. All these days and all these months I have stayed in her PG, she has been really supporting to me. Every time I have a problem, be it coming back late from my friend's home, or be it a rash on my skin, she is there for me, and she always have a solution for every problem. And this attitude of her, it's not just for me, it's for every girl staying in a PG. She is a wonderful woman. Thank you.